All right, Marshmallow Warriors, welcome back. This is Medicare Tales and Marshmallows, where no matter where life takes you, the stories stay toasty. Tonight's guest, she's got wheels and will travel. Please welcome the unstoppable Beverly C.
Hey, Cam, happy to be here. Though if this were real life, I'd have dragged my lounge chair right into the campfire circle.
You're among friends here. I've even got virtual extra marshmallows and sunscreen. So let's cut to the chase. Why Medicare Supplement?
Easy. One word. Freedom. I'm in Michigan half the year, Florida the other half. I needed health care that didn't care where my flip-flops landed. With Medicare Supplement, I can see any doc who accepts original Medicare. Boom! I'm good to go. No networks, no frantic stopping at gas stations to Google, "Is my doctor in network?"
Nice. What's working really well for you, Bev? Oh, may I call you Bev?
Absolutely, Cam. What's working? Hands down, the stress-free travel. Last winter, I was living my best life down in Florida, doing the Snowbird thing. I decided to go for a quick swim, and bam! I got stung by a jellyfish. Not my proudest ocean moment. I practically leapt out of the water like I was auditioning for Baywatch Retired Babes Edition.
Oh my, now that's a mental image. You okay though?
Yes, I'm totally fine now. I waddled into an urgent care, waved my original Medicare and Medicare Supplement cards, no referrals, no phone calls, no network panic. I was in and out faster than you could say, pass the aloe vera. And the best part, nobody needed to pee on my foot to ease the pain.
Love that for you. Quick, easy, and hygienic.
But you know what's wild? My friend Doris was also down there. She also got stung by a jellyfish, believe it or not. We're apparently a magnet for marine life.
Wait, you both got stung? Same beach?
Same beach, same week. But here's the kicker. Doris has a Medicare Advantage plan. She had to figure out whether the urgent care was in her plan's network. Then she was told to call her plan's nurse line to get approval before being treated. Imagine standing there, sizzling with jellyfish venom, and you're on hold.
Oh no, not the please hold, your sting is very important to us.
Exactly. And I won't go into gory details, but I heard that some peeing on her foot was involved.
Ew, that stinks. No pun intended.
Yeah, it all worked out eventually, but she had a delay, plus a copay she didn't expect because it was considered out of network. Meanwhile, I was halfway through my aloe slushy.
So for you, the Medicare Supplement freedom really won the day, it sounds like.
Absolutely. No networks, no referrals, no drama. When you're wrangling with jellyfish or life, you want smooth sailing. Doris said she's switching plans before we head back out next winter.
That's it. Medicare Supplement, the jellyfish-approved travel companion.
Put that on a tote bag.
Nice. Well, not the jellyfish part, of course. So, any challenges on the open road?
Let's see. Well, my Medicare Supplement premium's higher than some Advantage plans. At first, I griped, "Beverly, you could buy a lot of margaritas with that money." But every time I pop into a doctor's office without worrying about coverage, it's worth it. Freedom isn't free, but it's fabulous.
How about cost share experiences?
None to speak of, really. 2 years ago, I tripped over my own beach chair, very glamorous, and tore my meniscus. Outpatient surgery, physical therapy, the whole works. Total bill, over $10,000. What I paid, maybe what you'd spend on a simple brunch for 4 if you skip the bottomless mimosas. And after that, 0 for the rest of the year. I'm generally healthy, but you just never know when something goes bump in the night.
I know, right? And everyday life outside of stings and scrapes?
Oh, honey, whether it's a sinus infection in snowy Michigan or allergy attacks in pollen-packed Florida or managing my diabetes all year round across the country, Medicare Supplements got me. It's like having a healthcare passport wherever I roam. All right, Bev, give us your 3-word Medicare Supplement love letter. Freedom, flexibility, flip-flops. That's gonna be my next tattoo. Thanks, Bev. All right, folks, that's it for today's Traveling Tales. Until next time, stay adventurous, stay covered, and stay marshmallowy.